was that?
Sentries. What do you see?
Don't just stand there! Guards, get the town people to safety! Someone get the battle mages out here! Where'd you come from? Hey, Kinsman! Come on, the gods won't give us another chance! What is that thing? Could the legends be true?
Legends don't burn down villages.
Just need to move some of... You need to get over here! Now! That boy, you're doing great. Turol! God! Everyone get back! Still alive, prisoner? Keep close to me if you want to stay that way. Gunnar, take care of the boy. I have to find General Tullius and join the defense. Gods guide you. Stay close to the wall! Soldier, we're leaving! Stay close! Raylo, you damn traitor! Out of my way!
We're escaping, Hadvar. You're not stopping us this time.
Fine! I hope that dragon takes you all to Sovereign Guard!